Our motto at ClimateMama is tell the truth, actions speak louder than words, and don't be afraid. And so the truth is, it's really serious, but most scientists that study climate, and again, we have to look at not just every scientist, but climate scientists tell us it's not too late, that we have, yes, we're reaching barriers, we're passing tipping points. It isn't going to be easy. And there are many people that are already suffering and millions more that will. But we can all be part of making it less worse and changing the course that we're on. So we're, on the speeding train, heading for a broken track. Well, we can get off on the side one, and we don't have to have this catastrophic clash with our environment that we've set ourselves up for. So I think I would just tell her there are things we can do. It doesn't have to be as bad as as it could be. We don't have to take that worst case scenario. There's a lot we can do, and that will be a lot of work to change that course. But many, many more people are waking up to it. Many, many more people, in industry and science and entrepreneurs, communicators. 70% of Americans know that there's a climate crisis and they're worried about it. That's a huge increase, regardless of the politics that is messing things up. So I think we need to both reassure her, but in a very honest way, that it's not going to be easy, but there's so much and a way for all of us to be involved.
If people know what to do, the research shows that they're increasingly concerned, as we all should be, but so many just don't know where to start. And I'm sure you hear this debate, which is kind of silly, really. Well, it's not individual actions. It's got to happen at the government and corporate level. Both, all of the above is where it needs to happen. It's not an either or thing.